Hey everybody, it's Alexis from the Bedford Life. I'm here with my friend Nick, and today he's going to teach me how to make ribs on the barbecue. World famous ribs.
World famous.
So summer is right around the corner, and everybody knows there's going to be plenty of parties, pool parties, barbecues, and what's better to make than ribs? It seems to be like the perfect summertime favorite. So let's get started. You ready?
I'm ready.
Perfect.
Let's do this.
You ready, Dad?
Okay. This is my world famous rub that I'm making today for my world famous ribs. Only world famous because my wife thinks so. We make Louisiana style ribs, and they're Louisiana style because they're bigger than at the baby back. The baby back is more cut. Usually all this is out of the baby back ribs. Okay, so you make sure that the back is clean. There's no skin on the back. First things first, you want to salt liberally your ribs. I'm going to do both sides. And always a little fresh cracked black pepper. You know, do a coarse grind. So all of this will just cook right into the meat. Okay, so we start off with granulated garlic. We have chili powder. We're very generous with this chili powder. Yeah, this is paprika, not smoked, just regular paprika. We have cumin, not too much. And we have about a half a cup brown sugar. And we just mix it up with our hands. Get it all in there, get it incorporated. So we have our rub, and we're going to be very generous with this. Okay, so we just sprinkle it on. I know it seems like a lot, but it's really not. Because again, it's going to be on there for a long time, and you want all these flavors to cook into the meat. And then you want to rub. Just a little tidbit, all the extra rub you have, you can store it for as long as you like, as long as it's in an airtight container. Keep it in a dry place. And you could use this for just about anything. You could use it for chicken, and also we put it on hamburgers and anything else that you want to put on the grill. Don't be so generous with it when you put it on stuff like that. You want to be really generous on big meats. I'll put this on a brisket or rib roast. One little tip before we put our ribs on, I'll cut them in half, and very easy to do. Just find where the bone splits and just go right through. Shouldn't be that hard. And I do this because they're a lot easier to fit on a grill if you don't have a big grill like me. You put it on a smaller grill, and it's a lot easier to flip. They won't fall apart on you when you're flipping them over, and they're a lot easier to work with. While you're barbecuing, it's always better with beer. So first things first, always have your grill around 250 when you're making ribs. You want to make sure you never put your meat on the flame itself. You want to put it off the flame, off to the side, never on direct heat. By that I mean the heat is here and the meat is on this side. Okay, so put your flame on one side of the grill or on either side, and put the meat in the middle. Whatever works for you, whatever helps you get to the temperature that you need, that's what you need to do. But never put it over direct heat, because it'll actually burn it because you're cooking it for such a long period of time. Our ribs are done. If you don't have a grill, you could actually put these in an oven at 250 degrees for approximately 3.5 to 4 hours, depending on how large your ribs are, how meaty they are.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below. You can also go to thebedfordlife.com to join our mailing list. You'll get exclusive promos and discounts on all our fabulous merchandise. And stay tuned because Nick and I have a lot more recipes coming up. We have some martinis, we have a summer salad, and more stuff. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, everybody, and see you soon. Bye.